Well, hey there guys, welcome to Clean Getaway Car Detailing and welcome to 2020. It's going to be such a good year. We've kicked off really strong, really excited about that. And we've got a really busy day here in the Clean Getaway Car Detailing workshop. We've got this new Hilux here behind me. It has just had the Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating applied to it yesterday, so it's just been curing overnight. The client has been using the courtesy car, so they're coming in early this morning to pick it up. And then we also have this new BMW here behind me, the 430i Coupe. Such an awesome color. It is in for the RAYNO S9 Window Tint. It's gonna look amazing. We're gonna put the darker film on the back windows and then the 35% on the front. We're also gonna be doing the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating to this. And then we have a really nice car coming in as well, another one. These are all really nice cars. A Lamborghini Huracan, it's coming in for a 2-stage paint correction, Crystal Serum Ultra, as well as a lot of detailing jobs, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a great day, an awesome video I hope for you guys to see what actually happens in the Clean Getaway workshop. Cool, so the owner has just dropped off his Huracan. We just got him an Uber back to his home down the road, and this car is so nice. It's got a really nice metallic white. It's a pearl white paint. It's cleared. I think it's a 2016 model. Absolutely amazing. We love these Italian design cars. So we're gonna be doing a 2-stage paint correction. It's actually got a vinyl wrap on the roof and also around the side skirt, so we will be mindful of that. We will actually coat those as well when it comes to doing the ceramic coating. So this car's awesome, but first we've got to get it into the wash bay, do the decontamination process on it first, so that when we go to machine polish the car, there's no more impurities in the clear coat. Let's get started. We're going to spray down the wheels with our Bowden's Wheelie Clean, and then we're actually going to cover the paintwork as well to really react with the metal particles. So we normally actually do like a full snow job on the car, but because it's got a lot of air vents and areas where the snow foam can get, we're actually not going to do it on this one. We're just doing a very thorough exterior wash, and the fact is it's not filthy dirty either, so it doesn't necessarily need a snow job. So this will get the trick done. Brought the Lamborghini into the detailing bay, and so as you can see here, we've got a lot of blue tape. We have taped up all these plastic trims because we're going to be doing a lot of machine polishing. We're really good with keeping to our area when we're polishing the paint, but we don't want to take any risks. So we tape it up so that if we do trail over the paint onto the plastic, we're not going to get any buffing compound marks, which we actually do see a lot on a lot of cars that get done by dealerships and other car detailing or car cleaning workplaces. So do this, do the machine polishing, and get this paint looking absolutely amazing. Awesome, so we're going to remove this residue, and by doing that, we actually use these awesome, really plush microfiber towels. They're called Korean Plush by Auto Fiber. They're made in South Korea. These are around about 470 GSM, so really easily remove this compound without scratching the paint. So we've just done the first paint correction stage, removing a lot of the defects or swirls, deep swirls, probably caused from incorrect washing techniques, and it looked like someone's machine polished a few of these panels. So now we're refining it down with the second stage. We're using a really refined polishing compound, and then we're going to remove the residue and get it so it's all perfect for applying the Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating and then the Gtechniq Exo hydrophobic coating. Awesome, so we have just finished doing the two-stage correction, removing all the polish residue. So now it's time to pull all this blue tape off and then put the Lambo in the coating bay so we can put the Crystal Serum Ultra and Gtechniq Exo on top. Cool, so Matt and Sam are working on this new BMW. We've just tinted it this morning and now they've got it in the wash bay doing all the cleaning, washing and decontaminating. And then we're going to be putting it in one of the detailing bays ready to do the Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating and also the interior protection. So, like we mentioned before, it's time to put the Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating on. We're going to be applying this to all the surface. We're actually even going to put it on the vinyl. It bonds really well to vinyl. And then we're actually going to be putting on the Gtechniq Exo hydrophobic coating. It's a top coating. It goes magnificently on top of the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. This is just going to make this car go bonkers. It's going to be super hydrophobic, meaning it's going to bead like crazy when we wash it and when it gets rained on and things like that, as well as just give it an extra layer of protection and just make it as glossy as we can get for a white vehicle and just make it look amazing. Pretty damn right simple. It's going to be great. So what we're doing, we're just wiping over with the IPA, just removing any oils and like just from the polishes and the car wash that may still be on here. That way we know that when we apply the ceramic coating, it's bonding straight onto and into the paint and there's nothing in between it causing any dramas with the bonding process. Coat the windscreen and all the windows, all the glass from the outside. It'll just make it a lot more hydrophobic. When it rains, it's going to bead really nicely and just make it a lot easier to maintain for the client. And as you can see back here too, we've actually done this engine cover here. It's actually really brought out the color a lot better just by putting the Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating on. And then we're actually going to do under here in the engine bay as well. We're going to coat all these plastics just to make it stay a lot cleaner for longer and make it look awesome like this car deserves. Alright, so we just poured in the Gtechniq Exo Hydrophobic Coating into our suede applicator. Time to apply it to the Crystal Serum Ultra. We waited an hour for it to cure, and so it's ready for the Exo to bond on top of the Crystal Serum Ultra. Oh, this stuff is so slick. The BMW's all done, looks absolutely unreal as you would have saw in that footage there. We've done interior protection, we've done the Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating on the outside of the paintwork and all the wheels, the plastics, and also the windscreen. And also we've obviously tinted all the windows, which absolutely looks amazing. And I just want to say, you know, here at Clean Getaway, we're a team, and safe to say Sam has done pretty much everything on that car behind me. I have not even touched it. I've just looked over it, been there to help out wherever I can, but physically I've done nothing to it, and that just goes to show how capable our awesome team are here. So Sam, great work, man. I know the client's going to be absolutely stoked about this BMW of his. So if you actually own one as well, new BMW, or maybe you're buying one, or you've got one that's a few years old, hey, it's worth protecting your prized possession. The Lamborghini Huracan is all done. We've done the two-stage paint correction, the Crystal Serum Ultra on the car behind me, and also we've applied the Gtechniq Exo top coating, which is the hydrophobic top coating. Car looks absolutely sensational. The boys have done a really good job. Now it's ready to be picked up by the owner, and we're about to get started on some new cars today, such as a Porsche 911, brand new Suzuki Swift, and this Toyota right here behind me that got damaged 2 weeks after we did the ceramic coating. It got pummeled by that massive hailstorm we had here on the Sunshine Coast in southeast Queensland. So massive day today for the team. Can't wait to get some more footage of all the cars we're doing, and let's see how this one goes.